हाय, मैं हूं तराना, ये है लेट्स टॉक। लेट्स टॉक को मैं होस्ट करती आ रही हूँ पिछले 2 सालों से और मुझे नहीं लगता कि हमने ज्यादा एक्टर्स को दोबारा अपने शो पर बुलाया होगा। आई थिंक देयर वाज जस्ट वन। लेकिन जब भी हमने किसी को वापस बुलाया है, इट्स ओनली बिन बिकॉज ऑफ पॉपुलर डिमांड। और आज जिनको हम वापस इन्वाइट कर रहे हैं, ही इज हियर नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ पॉपुलर डिमांड, बट because he's the flavor of the season. Everybody wants a piece of him and I have him right here on the couch besides me. The one and only, the star, the rock star, Arjun Rampal. Thank you, Arjun, for coming back on Let's Talk.
My pleasure. I didn't
No, it is our pleasure. It is totally our pleasure. Nothing to do with how good you're feeling. We're really happy to have you back. Are you getting used to this? Like, जहाँ भी आप जा रहे हो, लोग कह रहे हो, अर्जुन रामपाल, हम तो भूल ही गए थे, वो इतने hot हैं, and he's such a rock star, and इतने अच्छे actor, and क्या बढ़िया film. Are you getting used to this?
You can keep going on.
नहीं, I'll continue throughout and all. But are you used to this?
Yeah, it's been really nice because you know, I mean, जो भी फिल्में मैंने लास्ट ईयर जो भी फिल्में मैंने चूज़ किए थे, ओम शांति ओम से लेके रॉक ऑन या लास्ट ईयर, दे बीन वेरी डिफरेंट चॉइसेस। और मैं देखना चाहता था कि ऑडियंस इन किरदारों को किस तरीके से और कैसे एक्सेप्ट करेगी, बिकॉज इट वॉज अ चांस दैट आई वाज टेकिंग, एंड आई एम रियली ग्लैड दैट यू नो द ऑडियंसेस हैव रियली showed us that you do and give us new things and different things, and they'll embrace it and give you love. And it's, I think, really wonderful for us in the industry to, as a barometer, to use these films to say, wow, we can now make different kinds of movies. You don't have to leave your brains at home and come, you know. Even, and I'm not saying there's anything wrong with those kind of films. I'm not saying I'm being condescending about it, but I like my audience to come intact with their full anatomy.
And I think पहले filmmakers को लगता होगा कि we're a little restricted, let's play it safe, बड़े-बड़े सितारों को ले रहे हैं तो
नहीं, वो क्या हो जाता है कि अगर आप प्रोजेक्ट प्रपोजल के बारे में सोचने लगते हैं तो आपकी स्क्रिप्ट ज़रूर मार खाती है वहाँ पर। और हमारा काम यही है कि हम अच्छी कहानियाँ अपने दर्शकों तक लेके आए, और उसके लिए आपको यू नो स्क्रिप्ट शुड बी द हीरो,
राइट,
यू नो, एंड दैट्स द वे आई बिलीव।
तो 3 इतनी बढ़िया फिल्में, 3 इतनी डिफरेंट फिल्में, जब आप साइन कर रहे थे उस समय आपको लगा था कि माय गॉड ये तो कल्ट फिल्में बनने वाली हैं?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता था। आई मीन कोई नहीं सोचता है कि ये फिल्म के साथ क्या होगा। हर फ्राइडे कोई जनता बोलती है, ऑडियंस बोलती है, क्योंकि दे आर द ट्रू जजेस, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट दे हैव रियली एक्सेप्टेड इट ऑन अ कल्टिश लेवल टू एन एक्सटेंट व्हिच मेक्स मी फील अ बिट वियर्ड।
No, come on. Are you feeling vindicated कि like इतने सालों तक critics ने मुझे बोला था कि ये तो भाई act नहीं कर सकते, बस good looking है, now see 3 films back to back to back.
No, I've never tried to prove anything to anybody. जब भी मैंने वो कोशिश की थी कि मैं इसको दिखाऊंगा या उसको दिखाऊंगा, ये साबित करना है मुझे, तो उस वक्त I think I failed, you know, क्योंकि I was not doing my job out of my heart.
Right.
The day I stopped proving and only wanted to prove to myself is when I started picking up roles and started having fun.
That were
and
right
started,
for you. Yeah.
And started having fun with the characters that I was playing and doing it for the love of it. And I think that's what kind of comes out, and that's what I learned over the years.
I believe अब लोग अगर आप गोवा जाते तो stampede हो जाती है and people get very excited कि हमारे Goan star वापस आ गए, जो masquerade is जिंदाबाद. Is that true? You were chased by some people?
Yeah, it was quite crazy. I was shooting for this film called The Fox. तो वहाँ पर एक chase sequence था where actually I'm running behind a cop. And so that guy takes off and I run behind him, and I suddenly hear like dar 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 sound behind me, and I look back and there are like about 5,000 people running behind me, but that whole mob had broken through.
Oh my
and
God.
They had our security guys on the floor and they were like chasing me. I think I could have broken Bolt's record that day.
Oh my God.
I ran. It was like super speed, but yeah, it was fun. Then I had to go to the crowd and tell them that, listen, ये short हो जाने दो, then I'll come and meet you.
So what do people describe you as right now?
Why are you doing all these?
Because I have met so many women who are all like, तुम अर्जुन रामपाल से मिलने जा रही हो, उनको प्लीज बोलना, हमें लगता है कि वो बहुत hot हैं. So, okay, I've said
गर्मी
that
तो
for
बहुत है
you.
यहाँ पर इस कमरे में.
It's you, darling. It is all you, and that's why. So, what do you think? आपका luck क्यों बदला है? क्योंकि आपने मतलब खुद के लिए काम करना शुरू किया, या because there is some पत्थर angle, या इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारे पत्थर पहन रहे, कलरफुल वाले?
देखिए, मैंने भी काफ़ी अंगूठियाँ पहन रखी हैं, okay, but these are things which are just given to me by my family members. मेरे ख्याल से maybe there is a truth to it, you know, and maybe things like this do work to a certain extent because they have to do with planets, you know, and there might be a science behind it, but I'm not sure about that.
But you didn't go to somebody and say कुछ तो करो.
जी नहीं, मैं उन चीज़ों वैसी चीज़ें नहीं करता.
Okay.
Okay, but I think the luck really starts from your hard work. Hard work is luck. I think choices that you make is what your life becomes, and I'm glad about the risk and the choices that I made. While I was shooting for Om Shanti Om, तब तक उस वक्त तो मैं बहुत ही घबरा गया था.
Villain का role
मैं एक इस तरीके का नेगेटिव किरदार कर रहा हूँ. इतनी खूबसूरत लड़की है दीपिका, उसको जला रहा हूँ. I mean on a script level जब आप सुनते हैं तो बहुत घबराहट हो जाती है. और but Shahrukh and Farah really made me feel comfortable. They said कि आपका पेशा है acting, so I said आप कर लो ये. और लेकिन besides all of that, I think they really made me feel comfortable.
Okay.
And I think that really was a point where when I started acting in Om Shanti Om, I started getting very satisfied as an actor. Yeah, I can do this, and this was within me as a range to do something like that. I think it also happened somewhere in Dawn, because of good writing. So I got conscious about what kind of characters I'm going to pick up. There's no point in being the main hero of a film. Take that thing and say, "Acha, main, this is my solo hero thing, and I'm going to do this and that." और उसमें कोई script नहीं है, कहानी नहीं है, and so I don't think those things work anymore. I think I've been lucky to have the opportunity to work with people who have a great knowledge about cinema. I think that really is something because you get to learn from them.
Right.
अगर फरहान हो, उनकी जो sensibilities है, Farah and Shahrukh sensibilities, or then a Ritupur Nagosha sensibilities, and I think it's a combination of all of that that made me realize that what I want to do.
So आपको लगता है अब आप एक better producer भी बन पाएंगे?
Producer तो मैं हमेशा से बहुत ही अच्छा
बहुत बढ़िया producer.
बहुत बढ़िया producer.
But your film didn't do well, yeah.
But that's okay, yes, I think on a level of that, yes, क्योंकि मैं उस वक्त मेरे ख्याल से ICU जब हमने फिल्म बनाई थी उसकी जो publicity थी, जो promotions थी, I think I failed as a producer.
Okay.
I do admit to that.
Yeah, because they came and went and people like, I see you.
Yeah, and I didn't get time to hammer it into people, and the songs got popular after the movie release.
हाँ, 2-3 साल बाद.
And but it had great music. We tried our best to do whatever we could, and I really do believe that failure is a very strong part of success. You have to fail to succeed.
और कभी नहीं डरे थे आप?
जब पहली फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी तब बहुत घबराहट हुई थी.
I remember कुछ confusion थी. I think मोक्ष आपकी पहली फिल्म थी जो आपने शूट की थी, लेकिन प्यार इश्क मोहब्बत पहले रिलीज हुई.
रिलीज्ड फर्स्ट, but लेकिन I was very scared क्योंकि उस वक्त सब वो पूरी इंडस्ट्री कहती थी कि मॉडल्स can't act and ये सब they are unlucky.
वो unlucky भी था.
Yeah, everything, and बहुत जरूरी था for me that the audiences accept you.
And I believe Rajiv Rai ने आपको कहीं स्पॉट किया था डिस्को में?
No, that was Rohit Bal. When I was
रोहित बाल ने आपको स्पॉट किया नहीं सर आप मेरे वीडियो में काम करो?
No, Rohit Bal, I met him when I just passed out of school.
Okay.
I was 16 years old, and he saw me at RG's in a nightclub, and he said, "Are you a model?" And I said, "No." He says, "Do you want to be a model?" I said, "No."
No.
No.
क्यों?
Because I didn't want to be a model.
What did you want to be?
I wanted to go to college.
क्या करने के लिए? First college.
I was studying economics. But I was not the studious type. But then when
that would have been a waste. I mean, of you.
Then no.
And our lives are.
Now I'm using it in my production. So then I met him again in Delhi, and he remembered me, and और वो एक photo shoot कर रहे थे with a photographer called Bharat Sikka, जो उनकी भी पहली photo shoot थी, that shoot. So I said मुझे क्या मिलेगा इसमें से? So इससे आपको कपड़े मिलेंगे.
अच्छा.
So I said okay cool. So I went and I stood there. और ये लोग पानी डाल रहे थे मेरे सर के ऊपर. वैसे ही खड़ा था वहाँ पर.
तो गीले कपड़े मिले आपको उसके बाद?
धुले हुए.
कपड़े.
और फिर मैं वहीं पर खड़ा था. Bharat was taking these pictures, and they turned out to be really nice pictures in a cover of a magazine.
Oh.
So my first photo shoot actually went onto a cover of a magazine.
Wow.
And it was called First City. And yeah, it was cool. After that, I thought
ये तो आसान काम है.
But Rajiv, he saw Moksh. He saw rushes of Moksh. And he saw rushes of this film, which was called Jad, which never released.
Okay.
And he came out, and I was very nervous क्योंकि वो बहुत ही बड़े director थे. And I said, what did you think, Rajiv? And he said, I will be the biggest idiot in the world if I don't cast you.
Wow.
And that was like really something which will always stay with me.
Sure.
And it was amazing. And I think my life actually in the industry and acceptance within the industry started because of that decision.
So, did you think हर एक्टर को अपने करियर के शुरुआत में कुछ टिपिकल टाइप फिल्में करनी पड़ती जो काफी मुश्किल होती हैं हर मतलब सेंसिबल इंसान के लिए कि ये
I don't think मुश्किल बात होती है. आपका काम है to go and perform.
No, but like running around trees, बहुत unbelievable situations
I think
में बहुत believable acting करनी पड़ती
वो
है.
क्या होता है कि what I feel and that I really do believe कि every 10 years films and the kind of films change.
Phases आते रहते हैं.
Yeah, you know, in the 70s there were in the 40s, in the 50s or the 60s there were certain types of films that were made which were very stylish actually.
Okay.
You know, the black and whites and all of that.
The film noir.
And then it went from the 60s to the 70s, which were again very stylish. 70s to the 80s saw a downfall of productions because there was, you know, a different kind of films. 80s to the 90s, I think we made our worst films.
Yeah.
You know, and then from the 90s to the early 90s weren't that great, but from mid 90s to 2000 again, there was a big change. And I think from 2004 to 2008, there's again been, you know, that change that has begun.
I think younger filmmakers आ रहे हैं और
there's new thought.
छोटे बजट की फिल्में भी बन रही हैं जो सक्सेसफुल हो रही हैं.
हर किस्म की फिल्में बन रही हैं. And I think what is also important is कि जो हमारी audience है, they've become far more open to getting something more from you.
Right.
You know, क्योंकि उनकी exposure इतनी हो गई है through television, through media, you know, through news. Or papers or whatever. You know, there's so much entertainment that is always there in front of them that they have become very choosy about what they want to do. And it's not cheap, you know, to go and watch a film today.
Yeah.
You know, it is an expensive process. And we are aware of that being a part of this industry.
Right.
That yes, it is expensive for a family to go out there. So we must give them something worth their while.
या अगर हम 1500 रुपए खर्च करके देख रहे हैं आपकी पिक्चर को,
जी.
we should be able to rock with you.
You have to.
You've sort of managed that in the recent past, so thank you for that. And I think, are you a very like a book kind of person, somebody who reads quite a bit? Because I suddenly realized आपकी दो फिल्में हैं जो basically plays पर आधारित हैं. एक तो आंखें थी जो एक गुजराती play पर आधारित थी, and now Last Clear is on Utpal Dutt's play.
जी.
आखिरी शहंशाह नहीं.
आखिर शाहजहां.
आखिर शाहजहां. So, do you read a lot? Did you go through these?
I can't read Gujarati or Bengali, so I don't read any of these plays. लेकिन हाँ, they are adaptations of these plays, and that is the director's job, the writer's job.
Okay.
I read the scripts.
But they didn't tell you.
I like to read anyways as
Did
a
they
hobby.
tell you आप किताब भी पढ़ लीजिएगा फिर थोड़ा मतलब character के अंदर
नहीं,
घुसने के लिए?
I brushed up for the last layer on Shakespeare because I wanted to familiarize myself a little bit with Shakespeare, and so that you know you understood what Mr. Bachchan was saying.
Did you brush up, or was that the first time ever you touched Shakespeare?
It was kind of like the first time almost because the last time I'd done Shakespeare was like in 12th grade.
Right.
But we had done King Lear, okay, and we had done Othello and Hamlet, you know, and A Midsummer's Night Dream,
yeah.
Okay, and so I was familiar with it, but I got this whole book on Shakespeare and I tried to read it, and I think it's very beautiful and very romantic the way he writes.
Right.
And so it was nice. It was a good experience.
All right. On that note, हमारे पास एक game है, and it's basically word association. So जो भी word मैं आप पे फेंकूंगी, आप
पकड़ूंगा, catch करूंगा।
आप catch कर लेना और फिर
वापस फेंक दूंगा आपके
वापस नहीं फेंकना, फिर उस पे कुछ add करके वापस फेंकना, and then we'll see how creative and how witty you are.
Oh.
Yeah. Ready? Okay. Modeling.
Fun.
Okay. Meher.
Sexy.
Okay. Family.
Life.
Mr. Bachchan.
Superstar.
2 films with Mr. Bachchan.
Super lucky.
Producing films.
Blessing.
Rock On.
Only way to be.
Al Pacino.
Scarface.
And also on your wall. Huh. Acha. Joe Mascarenhas.
Arjun Rampal.
Guitar.
Joe Mascarenhas.
Concerts.
rock on magic.
Now, you tell us. I believe film release होने के बाद, of course, we all are still promoting the film and concerts वगैरह करके. So when you say हम concert कर रहे हैं, what goes on? Are you all singing? Are you all performing? Or
Well,
क्या हो
yeah,
रहा है?
we go and we perform all the songs. Shankar Esa and Lloyd are there with us, so they back you up
Okay.
on everything. And they actually start with all the songs they've done with Excel and Farhan. So they do Dawn, you know, and they do Dil Chahta Hai, and they do all those songs. And that Shankar is just a genius.
He's superb.
He's a complete genius. And so Ehsan and Loy, I mean, they just are absolute brilliant energy. So the crowd's completely mad by the time they've
And then you all
been
come
there.
and
And
come
then
as
we are
magic.
introduced as a magic and the band, and we come and do a few songs.
No, ये film खत्म करने के बाद, did you ever feel like, I wish we were a real band and I wish मैं वाकई में play करता हूँ.
Well, we
वाकई
want to
नहीं
do
गाता.
that, you know. I mean, we were discussing that, and we said, let's do at least one concert where we can go and we can play ourselves. And really, it would be nice if we could do it. But I keep telling Farhan, तो वाकई में मुझे जो ही बना देगा, मेरी बीवी मुझे मारेगी. तुम इधर रॉक कॉन्सर्ट करने जा रहे हो, शूटिंग कौन करेगा? You know, so and my other producers will kill me. But no, it's been really a wonderful experience, Rock On. It got us on the cover of the Rolling Stones,
Yeah.
which I think is really fantastic. And because it's all about musicians, so
Right.
an actor getting onto a cover of a Rolling Stone, I think is a complete dream come true.
You know, जब film खत्म हो जाती है, you're like, oh no, it's over. Are you feeling
can go
that?
see it again.
Yeah, I can see it again, but now I know, so I will watch it again. But then again, it'll be over. Did you feel that जब film finally खत्म हुई, release हुई, hit हुई? Are you thinking, I'm like, oh no, I'm gonna miss it?
No, it's been a wonderful experience. I think it's something I will always cherish. It's been a film which was made out of passion and was Abhishek Kapoor's dream to make the film, and he never compromised on it. और shooting के दौरान हमें बहुत मजा आया. You know, we hung out like friends, and I think I take away really special friendships.
Because that's
from
what I'm
Rock On.
aiming at. Because बहुत सारे actors कहते हैं कि हम जब अपनी film खत्म करते हैं, that's that then. अब ultimately फिर it belongs to the public. अगर लोगों को पसंद आई नहीं आई, हम we move on and we cut off.
But
Will
that
it be
is-
difficult with this one?
No, but I mean, it'll always be special, but at the same time, you do have to move on. Because as an actor, you have to unlearn what you have done in your last film.
Right.
If I'm playing a rock star in my last film, I have to play a politician in my next one.
Really?
Yes.
Fox में आप politician हैं?
No, in Rajniti.
राजनीति
Yeah,
में.
with Prakash Jha. So, Fox I'm almost finishing now. That's a thriller. And then I'll start preparing for that film.
I suddenly had visions of our netas headbanging or something like that.
You never know.
So, okay, all right. So quickly tell us what do we see you in next?
You'll see me next in EMI,
Okay.
which is a comedy, then in Fox, and then in Rajniti.
In राजनीति. 3 फिल्में जिनको हम मतलब बेसब्री से देखेंगे, उनका इंतजार करेंगे, and we will
शुक्रिया.
definitely come back again. I think you can keep coming back to our show.
I'll
You're
become
always
part
welcome.
of it.
Bilkul. And we have a present for you as we let you go.
Oh, that's really sweet.
There you go.
Thank you.
It's actually a game, Scrabble.
My wife will like that.
Okay, so then it is for Meher as well as you. Thank you. Official handshake.
Thank you.
अर्जुन रामपाल, wasn't he delicious? चलिए इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को एक स्वीट नोट पर एंड करते हैं with this. इसकी मिठास में मैं खो जाना चाहती हूँ.